Hello, my friends. I am the most interesting man in the world. I don't always drink a beer, but when I do, I drink this beer. I don't always shoot .45 caliber, but when I do, I shoot the 1911. Stay armed, my friends. Okay, so I'm probably not the most interesting man in the world, but this is probably the most interesting handgun in the world. Not this one in particular. This sample is my Kimber Classic. But what it represents, a sample of the Colt Model 1911. This gun has had a few changes over the years, but essentially it's the same design that John Moses Browning designed in 1911. And it has served in our military from 1911 until 1985 when they went to the Beretta. That means this gun served in World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, every major military conflict for the Marines, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force between 1911 and 1985. It continued to serve in military service after 1985 in certain groups with Los Angeles SWAT. It's been carried by the Texas Rangers, carried by the gangsters back in the day of the gangsters. It has been used by the gunsmiths since its inception as a platform to wring out excellent accuracy and works of art. It is hands down, historically, America's handgun. What Colonel Cooper called the Yankee Fist. There is no gun more interesting and having served the United States throughout the world than the 1911. It is America's gun, the most interesting handgun in the world. Hey guys, we're going to do a little shooting on 1911s today. In the upper left corner, my Kimber Stainless Classic. Lower right corner, my Kimber Compact with some modifications done. That's the gun I've carried the most. The upper right corner is a Taurus, stainless Taurus, which has been Duracoated on the frame and grip panels just for fun. I picked that up used for $450. It seemed like a reasonable thing to do. Anyway, we'll do some shooting today. See ya. Here we go. This is the Kimber Classic shooting Federal full metal jackets. We're going to shoot just a hit. Here in a little while we'll shoot loads to the target to see which ammunition this particular gun likes best. Kimber Classic. Melted version. They don't make this one anymore. Custom Shop Pro CDP. Melted, excellent carry, 1911. Hey guys, Kimber Compact, all steel gun, small but heavy.
what I call my Scamander. This one happens to have Smith & Wesson Medallion Buffalo horn.